Alright. That's gonna be the first try of pull starting this thing.
Full start, man. I like the impact on the fucking flywheel. That's why all the lawnmowers over at Rogers, all the pull starts are gone. He just has an impact that gets it, puts it on the fucking flywheel and fucking spins it.
I sort of flew that now. There it is.
But that's the starter impact.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
That's the way all the lawnmowers are ridiculous. They're missing the pull starts. I guess they're all broken.
Not pulling the gas up to the primer. Shit.
See if it fires.
Right, good idea, good idea.
First, start to it.
Right. Oh, 1 and 2 that time.
Go
You
for it.
minute.
Hit it again.
1 and 2.
Yeah,
1 and 2.
Try to.
Yeah. Too easy. Yeah.
Oh. It's cold. Oh.
I don't think this primer bulb's working in the right spot. It doesn't seem like it's pulling anything. You got gas all over the place a minute.
Yeah, I know the feeling, cowboy. Wear your ass out, right? Okay. Well, okay.